My name is Emma, and I chose the dental program because I've always had an interest in the medical field growing up. I didn't really know what I wanted to pick at first, but then when I kind of went and looked into the dental assisting, it just caught my interest. I had a friend, she actually suggested dental assistant because she took it. So then I looked into it and I realized that I was interested in it and I applied. Right now we're learning about dental dams and composite, sterilization, all of that in class. We've learned about embryology, tooth morphology, prevention in disease, and how to keep sterilized area. My favorite part is probably the clinic. It's very hands-on, and it's like what you learn in class, then you get to actually physically see it and do it. So it gives you more of an insight on what you're actually going to be doing in the work field. The teachers here are very supportive. They explain it very, very into detail so you understand it very well. Since I've been in it, I've learned a lot. I've grown more as a person. It's a very good program. I suggest it to people.